The most important part of this journey has been in, I would call it, making sure that as we grew, we continue to differentiate. Today, in India, we stand on the cusp of a great growth opportunity. The kind of focus which has been given on the supply chain sector is something unique. And we, as an Indian multinational, are, I would say, privileged to be not only part of this journey, but to shape the future as we go through this, including the digitization, which I think is a standout as far as we are concerned. So as we continue into the next phase of our growth journey, I look forward to continuing this focus on the core TVS values of creating partnerships, growing with all of our stakeholders, and if I can say so, in 2004, when we looked at technology as the core of our business, it was never a buzzword. And today, I think that's what makes us a differentiated company. So in this journey, I would like to thank all those who have been our partners, all those who continue to be working with us, supporting us, thinking of us, and the kind of messages I get from people who have been associated with us in the past shows the strong bonds which we have built, which is the strength of the family, of the brand, and coming as a fourth generation, it places a great, I would call it, responsibility to continue to live up and build to that, which is one of the reasons why I think I started this business. So thank you once again for joining us on this momentous occasion. We look forward to a wonderful future, and I'm delighted that we start the second phase of our journey today. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, they say that a leader is someone who knows the way and shows the way, but more importantly, a leader is someone who walks the way together with us. And so you truly have been a leader like that for us by setting an intention of growing together and making dreams come true. Thank you so much once again, sir. Let's have a huge round of applause for sir, please. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Ravi Vishwanathan, Managing Director, TVS SCS. Warm welcome to you, sir.
Mr. Chauhan, thank you and a warm welcome to the event today. Ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, friends from the media, and everybody present here, a very warm welcome and thank you for gracing this occasion. It is indeed a very momentous occasion, and on behalf of the 18,000 employees of TVS SCS globally, I want to first thank our board, Mr. Mahalingam, our chairman, and the rest of the board. Mr. Sriram is here, independent directors, Tarun Khanna, Gauri, and all the board members, a big thank you. This has been an incredible journey, and I think we couldn't have come here without your guidance. And I stand here on behalf of all the 18,000 employees globally. So when Dinesh spoke about the journey, I think I came into the journey about 3.5 years ago. And what strikes me about this phenomenal company is the culture that is out there, the culture to ensure that we do the best for our customers. And that is reflected in the last 3 years of our journey, especially during very difficult times. We saw COVID, and this company was incredibly resilient, and that is clearly visible in the outcomes that you see over the last 3 years. When we went on our road shows, it was incredible to see the trust that everybody has on the brand, TVS SCS. And I want to again thank all of our shareholders today for that incredible trust that you have placed on this brand. And we are on a journey which is on a great trajectory. We are excited about the opportunity. We are excited about our vision of being amongst the top 50 companies globally. And I think our aspiration of becoming a $2.5 billion company with about $100 million profit is something which the team is incredibly focused towards delivering. And with the guidance of the board and the incredible energy that I see in the teams, I'm very confident that we'll be there sooner. Dinesh spoke about the market. We are incredibly excited about India. The Make in India, the PLI, all of that augurs extremely well. And the opportunity size itself is incredible. I think given where we are, we firmly believe that the opportunity in India will incredibly help the manufacturing base and the consumption base, and the supply chain would, as an industry, play a pivotal role, and TVS SCS will take leadership in that. I can go on, but I know that we have to ring the bell soon, and that excitement, gets me to say thank you once again. The entire TVS SCS global leadership team is here, and I want to thank all of them for being part of this journey and look forward to an incredible journey going forward. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing valuable insights. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to invite on stage Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO NSE, to please come on stage and grace this very special occasion. Very, very warm welcome, sir.
Shri S. Mahalingam, Shri R. Dinesh, Shri Ravi Vishwanathan, Shri Sriram, Shri R. Shankar, Shri Salil Pitle, Srimati Neha Agarwal, Shri Viral Shah, Shri Bhavesh Shah, Shri Abhinav Bharti, Shri Ganeshan Murugayan, and other distinguished dignitaries present here today. Good morning and warm welcome to all of you for the listing ceremony of TVS Supply Chain Solutions. The company is among the largest integrated supply chain solutions provider that has global capacities and network across the value chain with cross-deployment abilities. National Stock Exchange is pleased to welcome yet another company from the TVS Group, which is getting listed today. It will only be apt to mention here that the exchange continues to have a profound relationship with the TVS Group, a journey which began a few decades ago. NSE is proud to welcome TVS Supply Chain Solutions in our family of listed corporates, and this will be 2,268th company to list with us. NSE listed companies have a market capitalization of $3.6 trillion. And from today onwards, TVS Supply Chain will be an integral part of it. India is now the fourth largest market in the world in terms of market capitalization after US, China, and Japan. NSE is also the largest exchange of any type in the world today, with more than 20 crore transactions on many days. The market capitalization of India has grown over 100 times in rupee terms since NSE started its operations in 1994. It is a testament to India's entrepreneurial activities and trust of its people on its entrepreneurs. It's not easy to get. With 7.5 crore unique PAN numbers, unique investors directly registered with us, India is now among the largest markets of any type in the world. The IPO of TVS Supply Chain Solutions with an issue size of 880 crore rupees was oversubscribed 2.78 times. We hope that today's successful listing of TVS Supply Chain Solutions will inspire many more companies to look at the public markets as a promising alternative. We are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories and make capital markets more accessible. We hope that this listing day is a start of partnership going forward. I congratulate the entire team of TVS Supply Chain Solutions, the merchant bankers, the PR agency, the legal advisors, and everyone else associated with this issue for their accomplishments, and today's listing is a testimony of their hard work. NSE once again welcomes TVS Supply Chain Solutions to the family and looks forward to supporting you in your future fundraising endeavors. Jai Hind.
I request sir to please be on stage, as now to commemorate the significance of this event, we'll have an exchange of mementos. Firstly, I request Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO NSE, to present a special memento to the management of TVS SCS, and to receive the same, I request Mr. R. Dinesh, Executive Vice Chairman, TVS SCS, to grace the dais to receive the memento. We'll be presenting a special memento and also confer a pin. With this special gift, NSE would like to appreciate the efforts and hard work of all employees who could not come to NSE listing ceremony today. First, we'll be presenting the iconic NSE bell. That is the iconic NSE bell, and now we'll be presenting and conferring a pin. With this special gift, NSE would like to appreciate the efforts and hard work of all employees who could not come to NSE listing ceremony today. To NSE, that is Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan from the company's side. Thank you. I request Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan to please be there. Yes, sir. Thank you. As we move on to the ceremony, I would like to, now hand over some special mementos to the bankers. May I request Ms. Neha Agarwal, Managing Director and Head, Equity Capital Markets, JM Financial Limited, to please come on stage to receive the memento from sir. Warm welcome, ma'am. Mr. Abhinav Bharti, Managing Director and Head, Equity Capital Markets, JP Morgan India Private Limited, to please come on stage. I request Mr. Salil Pitale, Joint Managing Director and Co-CEO, Axis Capital Limited, to please grace the dais. Very warm welcome, sir. I request Mr. Ganeshan Murugayan, Managing Director and Head of Investment Banking and Strategic Coverage Group, BNP Paribas, to please come on stage. Mr. Viral Shah, Executive Director and Head, ECM Syndication, Nuvama Wealth Management Limited, formerly known as Edelweiss Securities Limited, to please come on stage. I request Mr. Bhavesh Shah, Managing Director and Head, Investment Banking, Equirus Capital Private Limited, to please grace the dais. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's the moment that we all have been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the historic moment and gives me honor. So I request you to please be on stage, and gives me honor to invite the following dignitaries: Mr. S. Mahalingam, Mr. R. Dinesh, Mr. Ravi Vishwanathan, Mr. S. Ravi Chandran, Mr. R. Shankar and Mr. Ravi Prakash Bhagwatola to please grace the dais. Ladies and gentlemen, we move into the historic moment that we all have been waiting for. Today is the day when TVS SCS will be officially listed on the exchange. It's indeed a proud moment, and the fact that TVS SCS is India's largest and among the fastest growing integrated supply chain solutions, providing among India's listed supply chain solution company. We'll also have the photo op till then. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just a few minutes away from the listing. That is, we'll be also having a customary countdown. Let me explain to you what happens. So just 10 seconds when we are away from 10 a.m. sharp, when the bell will ring, we'll be all shouting and doing customary countdown together. So it'll be like 10, 9, 8, 7. So request everybody to have a good shout out together. And at the same time, it's a kind request to everybody in the audience to please be seated as for videography purposes. Yes, all right, we're just a few seconds away from the customary countdown and the historic moment. We'll have a quick photo op till then. Just a minute to go, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, just a few seconds away, and we'll be moving to a very, very historic moment. So ladies and gentlemen, once I request everybody to do the countdown, we'll be having a countdown from 10, 9, 8, 7 onwards. All right, just a few more seconds to go, everybody. We'll be shouting together in just the next few seconds. All right, all be ready. We'll be having a shout out. All right, everybody, on the count of 10, we'll be starting. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hearty congratulations. TVS SCS is now officially listed on the stock exchanges. On that note, I request the dignitaries to kindly take your seats as we'll be continuing with the ceremony. I request Mr. R. Dinesh to please be on stage as we'll be continuing with the felicitation ceremony. Yes. So I request you to please be on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, to recognize